For the next 10 years, Jenner settled into his career and life in Berkeley. But the most celebrated event in this period concerns balloons. This led to him meeting the love of his life. Just a few months previously in France, the Montgolfier brothers had spectacularly blazed onto the world stage with their unmanned flight. Suddenly, ballooning was all the rage, and Jenner came here to Berkeley Castle to replicate the Frenchman's success. The year 1784, and it helped Jenner gain a powerful and useful patron. He and the 5th Earl released their balloon here in the castle courtyard, and where, with the help of Charles Berkeley, I'm hoping to repeat their experiment.
So there we go. So do you think the 5th Earl was as fascinated with science as Jenner was?
He had a thirst for knowledge, and I'm sure he would have been buoyed on by Jenner's love and knowledge, and they would probably sat around the dinner table discussing, and I think he would have become fascinated, yes.
And of course it was the 5th Earl that introduced Jenner to the king, which enabled him to dedicate his inquiry.
Absolutely, so he played a great part in Jenner's work, and it all started really here, didn't it, under the 5th Earl's patronage, and what an exciting time it must have been.
I think it's about to go. Shall we have a go?
I think we should.
Okay.
Shall we see?
Okay, are we ready?
Shall we let it go?
Okay, I think on the count of 3, don't you?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3. Look at that! Hey! Look at that!
Nice up over the back.
Again, it is going to clear the castle. Look at that.
Wonderful. You know, here for 200 years we've repeated the experiment and it's worked. There you are. Yeah. I'm Edward Jenner, you're the 5th Earl, and up it goes.
And it's worked, hasn't it?
The balloon flew 10 miles and landed in the village of Kingscote, where Jenner, following on horseback, met his future wife Catherine, who was no doubt suitably impressed. An unexpected byproduct of a spectacular experiment.